If you're sending money to India, one of the biggest concerns is making sure your loved ones receive the most value for your dollars. Remitly is a popular service that can help you maximize how much your recipient gets in Indian rupees while offering convenience, speed, and security. In this video, we'll walk you through how Remitly works, its delivery options, and tips for getting the best exchange rates. With Remitly, sending money to India is straightforward. You start by creating an account on the Remitly website or app, then select India as the destination country and enter the amount you want to send. The platform shows you the estimated amount your recipient will receive in rupees, factoring in the current exchange rate and any fees. This transparency allows you to compare your options before confirming the transfer, which is crucial if you want to get more rupees for your dollar. Remitly offers multiple delivery options for India. Bank deposit is one of the most common and convenient ways for recipients to receive funds directly into their bank accounts. This option is usually fast and reliable, especially for popular Indian banks. For recipients who prefer cash, Remitly also supports cash pickup at partner locations across India, giving flexibility to those without bank accounts or those who need money immediately. Depending on the delivery method and payment option you choose, the money can arrive instantly or within a few hours. Cost and exchange rate are key to getting the most value. Remitly often offers first-time sender promotions, such as fee-free transfers or special exchange rates, which can increase the amount your recipient receives. Even after the first transfer, Remitly maintains competitive rates and transparent fees, making it easier to plan regular remittances. To get the best value, compare the total cost, including both the fee and the exchange rate, and consider sending through bank transfer for lower costs when timing isn't urgent. Another advantage of using Remitly for India is tracking and security. You can monitor your transfer in real time, see exactly when it reaches your recipient, and rest assured that your money is safe throughout the process. This added layer of confidence is especially helpful if you're sending large amounts or want to make sure funds are received on time for important occasions or bills. In conclusion, Remitly is a solid choice if you want to send money to India and get the most rupees for your dollar. By comparing rates, choosing the right delivery method, and taking advantage of promotions, you can maximize the value of your remittance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more money transfer tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.